Someone once said, "We don't grow when things are easy. We grow when we face challenges." Well, if that's the case, we've done a lot of growing this year. At Stroud Water Research Center, we have adapted the best we could, with education programs going online, with science research being done from kitchen tables or lab techs taking turns with field work, and with restoration outreach happening online or one-on-one with farmers across Pennsylvania and neighboring states. We've had many in-person events canceled, but we've also had successful online lectures and events. There have been incredible weather occurrences around the world and several flooding events right here in our backyard. But somehow we've still managed to gather the important information we need for our research programs. Things have not been easy, but as long as the Stroud Center is here, we will continue to research, teach, and restore freshwater systems. At this time, to reflect and give thanks, please know how much we appreciate having you as a friend of the Stroud Water Research Center. As we face the challenge of this holiday season during a global pandemic, please know how grateful we are for you. Stay safe and visit us anytime online. Thank you.